Today I'm very lucky because I have a new request to make another fanny pack, which I already have done for myself. What means lucky? I have actually already everything prepared. Here and there it needed to be done some changes, but for the main part everything is already done. There's a lot of things to pile up for material. You need to think about the outside fabric and the inside as well. Other stuff like the zipper, the label, the D-ring and buckle, inside pockets and so on. But once I put everything together, I am ready to start the process with cutting. Here we go, now turning back. Tough.
Hoe komt achter de zipper?
The trickiest of all of them, I would say, is the front part of the fanny pack. Where you put the zipper together with the upper material and the bottom material. So it's a little bit tough, or you need to think steps ahead of how you put it together and so on. But it is pretty manageable. Often you see these fanny packs with a different kind of strap attached to the back, but I personally like it more when it blends in together, meaning it is the same fabric. Interesting about this step is that you think now, okay, it takes 100 years longer, but it is really the final, almost the final step of being done. And as mentioning at the beginning, there was a request of somebody and I really hope this person really enjoys it. Wears it day in, day out, sleeps with it. If you have an idea or something you really love to see, don't be afraid to leave a comment. I would really like to see that.